Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all your photos from Google Photos onto your computer in just a few simple steps.
This is perfect if you want to back up your pictures, transfer them to another device, or just have them stored offline. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to photos.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has the photos you want to download. Now, Google Photos doesn't have a single download all button right here, but there's an easy way to do it using Google's Takeout feature. So, in a new tab, go to takeout.google.com. That's Google Takeout. This tool lets you download all your data, including photos, from your Google account. Once the page opens, you'll see a long list of Google products. Click Deselect All, then scroll down until you find Google Photos and check the box next to it. Next, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Here, you can choose how you want to download your photos, for example, as a zip file, and how big each file should be before it splits into multiple parts. You can also choose to get the download link by email or have it automatically saved to Google Drive or Dropbox. When you're done, click Create Export. Google will now start preparing your files. This might take some time, depending on how many photos you have. Once it's ready, you'll get an email with a link to download all your Google Photos to your computer. After downloading, you can open the zip folder, and inside, you'll find all your photos organized by album or date. And that's it! You've just learned how to download all your photos from Google Photos onto your computer. Super easy, right? Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.